What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to type in multiple lines at once with Visual Studio Code. So it's actually very simple. You can see I have 10 lines here in this new text file I've created. If I hold the Alt key and then I click on multiple lines, you'll be able to see they're all selected in code, which is cool. But now if I start typing, check it out. I am typing in all of these lines at once. License, whoops. And then to get rid of typing all of them at once, you just click on one of the lines and all your selection goes away. Or you can press escape, but just click somewhere else. That's the easiest way. So now I can test here. And let's say I only want to edit these two lines. I am now only editing these two lines. Sorry, I can't type. Again, so how do we do this? One more time to run you through. So you want to hold the Alt key and then click on all the lines you want to type on at once. So I'm holding Alt, I'm clicking on line 17, line 15, line 10. You can even go back down here to line 12. You can click on line 16. You don't have to click on them in order. Just click on all lines you want to edit at once and then type in after. You let go of the click and then you just start typing. You just clicked on all the lines, you've selected them all, now you can now type in all these lines. So I hope this is clear enough. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Drop any questions you got in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.